Welcome back, everybody. Today I am doing an oil change on the Tacoma. And a couple of things I'm going to go over real quick in this video. Just some general car talk stuff. First, with the Tacoma, if you have the 2.7, they put the oil filter in a really inconvenient place. So what I found helps is an oil filter wrench with a socket and extension. These are not going to do you any good. They are great for Toyota's 2.4, but it's not happening on the 2.7. Getting it on isn't a big deal, but getting it off, it's interesting. Second, Toyota says with this truck I can go 10,000 miles between oil changes. They say that with pretty much all their cars now, and I don't buy into it, and here's why. This is the motor oil after 5,000 miles, nice and dark. I'm supposed to let this go another 5,000 miles? I don't think so. And I'm sure someone somewhere is going to say, oh yeah, Toyota's got engineers, but the same engineers who maybe drive the cars for a year and then trade them, I mean, yeah, trust me, they're not thinking about you. Also, this is just me. It seems like when the truck has clean oil, response is a little bit better, and it sounds a little bit happier. I have never heard of a vehicle breaking down or burning oil because of too much clean oil. My truck would be the first. But now, start it and check underneath for leaks. And looking pretty good. Perfectly dry. And then another question you might have, will doing your own maintenance on a new car hurt the warranty? That's definitely something to check on with any vehicle. I asked the Toyota dealership twice and they said no. So I'm going to go ahead and go for it. But it is still wise to ask. But now to reset the maintenance, go ahead and go to Settings. And then Maintenance Reset. Reset maintenance reminder, yes. Maintenance reset complete. And it's really that simple. Just too bad these days you oftentimes have to do more and be better than the book when it comes to your vehicle maintenance. For instance, if this truck was turbocharged, I would never let it go 10,000 miles between oil changes. Very bad idea. I mean, putting these small engines in a car with a turbo so they're not complete dogs, and then expecting that engine to run on dirty oil? I mean, the Bronco's got a turbocharged 2.3 and the Bronco Sport's got a little 3-cylinder. I mean, you're asking for disaster if you don't change your oil. But it's a dirty trick. You poorly maintain your car, the car breaks down, you buy a new car, and hopefully you go back to that same company and buy another one of theirs. And all car companies are guilty of it, and it's only going to get worse as more and more people become afraid of getting their hands dirty, or until we go full electric. I saw this picture on Facebook a little while back. This guy had a BMW that was flashing a low water warning on his dash, and he was wondering what it was and how he can get it to go away. I'm just thinking to myself, I can walk you through it, but you are going to learn something today. I'm going to walk you through it. You're going to watch what I do, and you're going to repeat what I did. And if that's a problem, you can go to the BMW dealership and pay what they want you to pay. And with the more luxurious cars, when things go wrong, you will pay for it. But it's getting dark. I better clean this up and get dinner going. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.